How to create a Kling AI account. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are on Kling AI and want to create an account, then it lets you quickly sign up for free and generate AI-powered images and videos. First of all, go ahead and visit your App Store or your Play Store and download the Kling AI application. Once you've done that, launch the app open. You'll then end up in this homepage of Kling AI, from where you'll need to go ahead and tap on My Space at the bottom right corner. On the next page, click on Sign Up for Free. In the Sign Up page, you can choose whether you'd like to sign up with Google or email. I'm going to pick email. If you've chosen email, then go ahead and write down your email address in the first email field. While typing down your email address, make sure to type your own email address. And also make sure to type in the email that you have access to. Once you are done, go to the next field and create a strong password for your account. After you are done, head over to the next field and retype in the password one more time. Finally, tap on Next. On the next page, you'll be asked for a verification code that has been sent to you on your email that you've provided. Go check your email inbox. Just opening up my email service provider over here. Inside the email inbox, you'll see an email from Kling AI. Click it to open, copy the code, or you can also manually type it down in your Kling AI app. Now, after typing down the verification code that you received, you have successfully created an account for yourself. And that's it. You've successfully created your Kling AI account. Now you can explore the platform's creative features, generate content, and manage your projects. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.